तो चल See you. Bye Vasi. Next week मिलते हैं. Headed back to Mumbai. So those of you who do not know, I keep switching between Chennai and Mumbai depending on my shoots and any other work because I'm in the middle of moving houses in Mumbai. So I came to Bharsh for some time and super excited to go and check out Ranbir Kapoor's own line of sneakers today. So let's go. Alright, so back to Bay and guess who's back? Himanshu Sonavne is here. By the way, if you don't, I mean everyone remembers Himanshu, right? तो पता है कहाँ से याद है ये वहाँ से याद है जो अपन ने स्नीकर शॉपिंग किया था ना मेन स्ट्रीट में and something had happened no and I think I roasted Main Street or something or pricing and some shit happened so basically Himanshu was the main man at Main Street store before and now he is here at Almost Gods. We will not show the store because Almost Gods is not paying me to do the tour, so we will not show the store. Bro, आज एक मस्त चीज हुई पता है क्या हुआ? तो मैं एयरपोर्ट से आ रहा था, so चेन्नई एयरपोर्ट पे मैं पहुंचा, so I go like late, like 15-20 मिनट पहले जाता हूँ because पूरा खाली रहता है. तो मैं वहाँ पे गया और मैं फोन पे देख रहा था टैक्सी में और उसने मेरे को टर्मिनल 2 पे उतार दिया और फ्लाइट था मेरा टर्मिनल 4 से. तो टर्मिनल 2 पे मैं जा रहा हूँ बस फोन रख के बोला 10 मिनट है आराम से चले जाएंगे खाली रहेगा एयरपोर्ट तो अंदर जा रहा था तो वो कॉप पे मास्टर खड़े रहते ना वहाँ पे सामने तो बोले अरे सर टर्मिनल 4 पे जाना है यहाँ पे नहीं तो बोला फक गलत जगह आ गया. फिर बोलते हैं अरे खत्री साहब कैसे हो? मैं बोला है आपको कैसे पता मैं कौन हूँ? बोले आप यूट्यूबर हो ना स्टिकर्स की वीडियो बनाते हो? मैं बोला हाँ. तो मेरा फ्लाइट मिस हो जाता तो उसने क्या किया उसने फटाफट फोन किया एक बगी बुलाया क्योंकि वहाँ से इट वाज लाइक 500 मीटर्स तो बगी में बिठा के मेरे को टर्मिनल 4 पे पहुंचा एंड दैट्स हाउ आई मेड द फ्लाइट. What say?
Thank God, thank
So
God,
sweet.
भाई.
So sweet.
तेरा ये सब चीज की वजह से
कहीं तो कुछ काम आया. Alright, so now we're gonna get going with the unboxing of the Ranbir Kapoor sneakers. I want to unbox that today. And before that, कुछ बोलना था मेरे को भूल गया मैं.
मेरे को क्या पता?
कुछ तो बोलना था.
तू कुछ बोल रहा था.
About the subscriber sneaker shopping, if you know, I mean, I'm going to choose the winner in 2 weeks' time. We'll do the first episode in April, and if you want to know how to take part in that giveaway or challenge or whatever you call it, I'll just add a clip over here from the last video. So if you want me to bring back that series, then like this video right now, leave a comment below here. Follow me on Instagram, leave some comments there also. You may never know where you get lucky, and we shall bring it back very, very soon. You can just follow all the steps and you might just end up coming for free sneaker shopping with me. Now let's switch over to unboxing the new sneakers from Ranbir Kapoor and then we shall take this vlog forward. What say you?
Yes.
By the way, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं how are you feeling at Almost Gods?
Good.
Is it better here or was it better there? You have to be honest. You have to be honest. Okay?
Honest. I'll give you an honest answer. Both of them have their pros and cons. यहाँ पे जो चीज अच्छा है जो वहाँ पे नहीं था बट
अरे ये तो डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर हो गया. सीधा बोलना कि इधर बेटर है शांति है थोड़ी नहीं.
चल ठीक है तू बोल.
यहाँ पे ऑर्डर्स डिलीवर हो जाते टाइम पे.
यहाँ पे वो बचवाची नहीं है सब कुछ अपना.
No, everything is good with everyone. I'm just joking. Now let's switch over to the unboxing. Here it is. Ranbir Kapoor finally launched his own line of sneakers. In fact, not just sneakers, they introduced a wide variety of apparels as well, which we will take a look at in the future videos. But for today, we have this bag here. Now, talking about the bag in itself feels really, really premium. It makes you feel like you've put your money towards a really, really good brand. And talking about the brand, it goes by the name Arcs, which comes from RK, obviously. No points for guessing that one. So let's remove the shoe from the box now and take a look at what it is all about. So this is it. It comes in a plain white simple box with Arcs branding on top and again very, very good quality on the box as well. It feels great and sturdy to hold. And I think I'm quite impressed by the design team. They have done a fantastic job when it comes to packaging. Now let's take a look what comes inside the shoe. Let's open it up and inside we have this sort of a lid on top of cardboard which has a Arcs logo cut out in between, so you can lift it off from there. And moving on, you get a really, really nice tote bag inside that you can carry your sneakers in. This comes in red again with the logo. Now moving on, you have the usual butter paper again with Arcs branding. It looks really, really nice. And finally we have the sneakers. which are packed in a dust bag in itself, which is great for protection while traveling or maybe to keep it in storage. I must say the dust bag feels really, really nice. It in fact feels like a really, really expensive designer sneaker and not just some any other cheap sneaker. Cheap, I'm saying, because comparatively it costs really, really less. We'll get to that in a bit. Let's take a look at the sneakers itself now. So these are the Arcs sneaker in all white colorway. They also come in an all black colorway, and they have another version which is in the form of mid tops, again in all white and all black. So going by the first look, it feels great in hand. It feels awesome to touch. It looks like they've really worked hard on the quality. The leather is nice to touch. It's not like super buttery, but it is pretty nice and soft, and I think it will be great. As you can see, it comes in an all white colorway with some hints of red here and there on the shoe, like the aglets over here, and then also on the lace strips, and then you have the Arcs logo on the back, and that's about it. An all white sole, a small little Arcs logo on the sole, outsole as well. Now talking about the comfort of the shoe, we will probably take a look at that in the next video when I wear them out for one full day. It has a red insole with Arcs branding, and yeah, I think it's going to be really nice to wear. So yeah, this was all about the Ranbir Kapoor sneakers. Now, like I said, this is just the beginning. They've launched two versions, which is the low top and the mid tops. The range starts from 6,000 rupees only. Yes, you heard me right. For 6,000 rupees, this is an absolute bang for the buck for the things you get with the shoe and the whole overall experience to unbox them. Trust me, when you get one and you unbox it, you'll know how the experience is and how well you have put your 6,000 rupees towards. And yeah, the mid tops cost slightly more, I think around 6,500 or 7,000, somewhere around that. So like I was saying, this is the beginning. I think they are going to definitely launch more versions. Maybe we are looking at a high top in the near future, and also maybe we are looking at a slightly more expensive and more premium pair than this. Although there's nothing wrong with this, I think it's absolutely nice. I think I'm going to rock them on the daily because it's a great daily wear sneaker and does not feel cheap like any other brands that keeps popping up here and there every time. Everything is very nice. The whole design language is simple and subtle and classy, just like Ranbir Kapoor's personality himself. Let me know in the comments below. I definitely feel these are a hit. Now it's up to you to decide if you think they're a hit or a miss. That's all for me for today. These were the sneakers that we were taking a look at, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.